since the release of iOS 15, users complaining about bugs and a lot of issues is getting really common. At this point, it is getting really frustrating. Well, do not worry, I have a fix for you guys. It does not matter which kind of issue it is. I am not going to talk about a particular issue and how to fix that particular issue of your iPhone. In this video, I am going to talk about a software that helps you fix all of your iPhone issues. Literally 99% of your iPhone's issue that 90% of the people facing after updating to the iOS 15 firmware. Well, my name is Jay. You are watching Tech Hyped. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button because I am 24/7 researching to get the best softwares and the best information to provide you guys. And yes, let's get right into today's video now without wasting any more time. Full transparency, Tenorshare did sponsor this video, but yes, I always look into a software and use it myself in order to test and to confirm that this will be a great software for you guys. Fun fact, I have been using Tenorshare for past couple of years at this point. I remember when I had 20 subscribers, I did mention Tenorshare and how it helps your iPhone to get free of these bugs and to get into recovery mode really easily. Alright, so now it's time for a quick demonstration on how to do this process. You need a lightning cable, then here your iPhone, connect the lightning cable to your iPhone, and after doing that, as you can see, we are in the ReiBoot. You can open this, and after going here, you will see in the home screen you will have the start option. Enter the recovery mode. We are successfully in the recovery mode, and now you have to click on start, and after clicking on start there are two options, deep repair and standard repair. Standard repair basically gives you a guarantee that the repair will happen, and the standard repair gives you guarantee that your data won't get lost. So basically both of them do the same thing. It's just that when you are using deep repair, it will boost the chances of your issue getting resolved as soon as possible, but on the cost of your data loss. Whereas on standard repair, if you do not want your data to get lost and have enough time to spend in front of your computer, you can do the standard repair, and by doing that you won't sacrifice on your data. Your data will be safe, though sometimes you may have to do this process and repeat this process 2-3 times in order to get this worked, because as I said, the standard repair gives you guarantee for your data to not get lost. You have to click on standard repair, and then you will see that iPhone 12 is connected, and you have to select the path where you have to drop the firmware. You can click on download, and it will start downloading the firmware for you. It will take a while, and after doing it, it will start repairing, and after the repairing process will end, hopefully your device will be rebooted and will work normal as it was working earlier. It is really handy and really effective. It worked for me whenever I tried in the first try, but sometimes it may take 2-3 times in order to get this worked. But at the same time, if you do not have time and your data is not that important, I would recommend going for deep repair. Now that the demonstration is done, let's get back to the video. Talking about Tenorshare. Tenorshare is a software which helps you get into recovery mode, get out of the recovery mode really easily. And the thing I really like about this software, this particular software I'm talking about, because I have used a lot of softwares like these, but the UI of a lot of those software was just really complex and hard for a normal user, for a non-tech enthusiast to just go on the software and do it all themselves. It is really frustrating. Heck yeah, I even gave this software to my mom, and she was able to turn on the recovery mode of her iPhone, and it was just really simple for her. Whereas I have used other softwares too. They are really complex, and I'm pretty sure my mom can't just get into recovery mode using those softwares, because there are a lot of workarounds to do with those softwares. Though Tenorshare is not one of them. Tenorshare UI is really user friendly. You can just go on, install the Tenorshare app. There is a free version too. You can do a lot of stuff. You can get into recovery mode and all with the free stuff too. But in order to do deep repairs, and if your iPhone is stuck in the bootloader or the Apple logo is just not going away, your device is just constantly going in the respring mode, you can fix all of those issues with the software. And the fact that you do not have to even do anything, everything will be done by that software. You just have to click that one button, and after clicking that button, the software will do its thing. You do not have to do anything, literally. Now, how cool is that?
How cool is that?
Also, if you are coming from Android, you can even send your WhatsApp chats of your Android device to your iPhone. Now that is really, really cool. Like, my father did switch his phone. He was using an Android device, and from that device he did switch to iPhone 11. And after switching to iPhone 11, the only complaint he had was the WhatsApp chats were not getting backed up on his new iPhone. But when he brought in his secondary Android iPhone, he was able to get all those chats on his iPhone. Well, now it is easy. You can just go ahead and download Tenorshare, link in the description, and solve all of your iOS related issues. And you can also get some benefits like just I talked about. You can back up your Android device, restore all of those chats on your new iPhone, because a lot of people have been switching to iPhone. I have noticed a lot of people did. A lot of my friends also did switch to iPhone recently, because there was a big billion days sale going on in India, so the iPhone prices were really, really cheap here. So a lot of people did switch to iPhone, and the only issue they had was that the WhatsApp chats were not getting backed up. But now Tenorshare solves it all. Now the question is how to download Tenorshare on your Windows machine or on your Mac. So in order to download Tenorshare on your Mac/Windows is really, really easy. Just go down there in the description. I have provided a link. You have to click on that link, and after clicking on that link, you will be redirected on Tenorshare website. After going on that website, you have to do all of these stuff that I'm doing in front of your screen, and you will be good to go. That is that simple to install Tenorshare on your Mac/Windows machine. On your Mac, there is right now, as I said, there are a lot of bugs on Mac OS Monterey and on iOS 15, so it may take some time to appear on the app drawer, but it will eventually appear. Though if it was not appearing even after you did try it, it was not able to show up on the app drawer, you just have to go on Spotlight and search for Tenorshare, open it, and after some time it will eventually appear on your app drawer. I also did switch my device from I did transfer all of my data to my S10 Plus, and then tried transferring all of my WhatsApp chats on my iPhone, and it did work flawlessly without any issues. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If this video was helpful for you guys, consider hitting that subscribe button, download Tenorshare, link is in the description, and I will meet you all in the very next episode. Stay safe, everyone.